Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing peanut butter cookies. Basic recipe, easiest, sweetest, most delicious cookie ever. Alright, we start with sugar, brown sugar, and they're going to be equal parts. Our peanut butter, 1 egg, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and we're also going to use 1/2 cup of butter, which is basically 1 stick. What we're doing is mixing the basic dough recipe together. We'll add 1.5 cups of flour to the mixture, and that will make our dough. This will take a little bit of time and a little bit of muscle to do, but it's well worth it. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some cling wrap, cellophane, you can even use tin foil, and cover the top. We're going to put it in the fridge covered for 30 minutes until it chills. Alright, so we've had the cookie dough in the fridge for half an hour. Next thing we have to do is turn on the microwave convection oven. We want to make sure that we put it on bake. Press back twice for manual convection bake. Select 350. Select. Open the door and start. Now, time to scoop out some deliciousness. What I'm going to do is take a little bit at a time, roll it into a ball, and place the ball onto the cookie sheet. You don't want too much. Because they will spread out. You want to spread them out maybe about 1 inch, 2 inches. You want to place these on an ungreased cookie sheet. And I use, the only baking sheets I have are USA pans. I love them. They're one of the best pans I've ever owned. They don't stick. We've had this about, 8 years? Yeah. Had them about 8 years. And I have never used cooking spray on them. I don't use, I don't clean them with anything but soap and water. And these pans are just awesome. Okay, I do have a little more dough left, so this will go for the second batch. What I'm going to do is take and dip my fork in. Actually, I'm going to press. And you want to just have a little bit of sugar in it. And if you want to, you can take a little bit and sprinkle on the top if you don't feel like you have enough sugar. And there you go. That's the microwave convection oven telling me it's ready. So we're going to put the cookies in. And one of the things that I want to do while the door is open is turn off the turntable. We don't have enough room in the microwave for cookie sheet to move. So we just press start. We're going to bake these for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. We're going to take our peanut butter cookies out. Yum, yum. And we're gonna let them sit on the rack for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes since I took them out of the oven. Now we're just gonna put them on the plate. Nice, delicious. Oh, peanut butter cookies. Before making your next batch, you want to let your pan cool for another 10 minutes. It's very important, otherwise your cookies will not bake right. There you have it, peanut butter cookies. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, it's free. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.